Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. Third flight on Eachine E160. Idle up one. Lots of wind coming from back. Idle up two. Yeah, baby, now it sounds like an angry bee. But I'm just wondering what happens if I crashed it in this mode, running that high head speed. Oh, almost crashed it and made your wish come true. That what happens to the helicopter when you crash it. That's a lot of head speed, man. Oh, that is a bad one. Second one. Control it. Yes. Oh, that could have been a big mistake. I was really very close to do that thing to me. That jumping without you having to give it any pitch input, it actually happens because of main gear and main shaft screw getting loose and making the main shaft go up and down and changing the pitches without having to have any input from pilot. I'm gonna land it. Hold on. Don't get too close, please. Okay. Now, what's happening? Hold on. Let me check. First off, I flew it at 100% throttle. Motor is hot. I can hold the motor for, let me see, one moment, a cool finger. I'll put a cool finger. Touch the motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I can touch it for 10 seconds without actually having the painful burning. I feel motor is hot, but it's not burning. If a motor is burning hot, you won't be able to touch it for 2-3 seconds. I'm able to touch it for all 10 seconds that proves that it's not that hot actually. Now, hold on. Nah, the gear is not loose. No, it's really nice. I gave it some really hard punch. Overall, it's actually flying really nice. I'm simply loving it, man. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.